Hi everyone, welcome to Mixinglikeapro. In this video, I'm going to show you how to mix electric guitars. There are different kinds of electric guitars or sound. You have rhythm, you have muted, you have clean, distorted, overdriven, and so on and so forth, right? So stay tuned and let's just jump right in. Okay, let's hear it. I'm gonna play with other ones. Right, that's nice. Anyways, first thing, Sooth 2 again coming here to our rescue. Yeah, so Sooth 2 is doing his stuff. And what Sooth 2 lets you do too is now you can go back there and really boost things, make them bright without getting harsh. All right, so next one here is to EQ. I'm removing a lot of the low end because I don't think it was needed here. It's not really needed for this song. So much stuff is going on the low end. The bass in itself, it's massive. So it's not needed. So rolling that off and then boosting around 1K, boosting 3 dB, but then I'm also cutting around 2.2K here. Let's hear that. Okay. Let me boost the frequency that I was cutting here. And then, all right, so the next thing I'm doing here is using the compressor here. Let's hear what the compressor is doing. I'm gonna bypass it. Right. It's loud, aggressive, present. But there's more always going on here, and I need to talk about it because you can see I have a bunch of effects here. Some in this case, some of these you're gonna hear them in stereo. Let me actually bring. This is a parallel compressor chain I'm using. It has the fetch out on there by IK Multimedia. You can hear what that is doing. Then I'm sending this to H3000. Let me put that up. Let me crank it up so you can hear. So I'm using a little bit of it. Let me bring the verb, the delay. The verb. So all of a sudden now the guitar is sounding fine. All of these things I'm introducing is contributing to the sound in a huge way. And then Bricasti again. Bypass. It's a bypass it. No weight. Harshness is introduced. You can hear that, right? Bring it in. Yeah, so I'm adding the weight back. I don't think I actually boosted any low end. As you can see, I don't know if I did, but all of a sudden, because of a lot of these things that I removed, harshness gave the guitar, added weight, right? When you cut high frequency, it sounds big. And then the compressor, of course, is doing its own thing too. So that is that. And I think here, it's the same guitar, but just maybe same processing, right? I pan this to the left, right? That's the main reason. And then there's a solo. Is there a solo section here? But some part here. Let me play that. Ooh. So that's literally the same guitar here. You can see if I maybe elongate this. There you go. So I removed it and I brought it to its own track. Needed to process that separately. By playing that, you can hear the harshness like crazy. Sutu is going to help fix some of that. See, I was going crazy on here. Because this needed to be loud in the song, and I'm gonna play it in the song so you can hear. And then using EQ here, different things. So look at what I did here. In this case, because it's almost a solo, I only introduced and it's in the middle. Some of the low end, I didn't really cut that out. I didn't want it to sound so thin. That's and then doing some cuts here myself to at 3.5 and then at 1. Let me boost that so you can hear. Yeah. So that's bad. Also harsh. Very, very harsh. So we needed to get rid of those. Then next here, I'm using what's it? Okay, I'm only boosting slightly at 5.6 K here. Just 2 dB. And that sounds really nice. So also going to the parallel chain. The parallel chain is the Fairchild. And let me see if I can, so I call it Music Power. There you go, so right here. So this particular one might not move the needle, but let's see. If I push it. Yeah, so when other instruments are playing, it's going to affect it more. I remember the Bricasti I had mentioned. I know I didn't show the reverb on here, but maybe I can do that quickly. The Bricasti is basically this by Waves, but there are some libraries that I downloaded, Ocean Way, I can't remember, a long time ago. So I loaded them here. That's what I'm using for the sound. And then the music verb is Little Plate. That's it. So the music verb is going to Little Plate. Bricasti. H3000. This is the Micro Shift by Soundtoys. I don't think I can live without that plugin. This is 8-note delay, and I think I'm cracking it up really loud here. And then I have a 16 ping pong, and it seems like that's the only time that I use this. All of it together. So I hope this was really helpful and you've learned one or two things here. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay blessed and have a wonderful day recording and mixing. Bye bye.